How to fix TikTok message problem. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager, and now click on the apps option right here. Now you have to wait a few seconds, and then you have to scroll until you find TikTok. Click on it and then click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and then click on the permissions like this. Now make sure to enable all the permissions in the app. After that, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.